This video will show you how to customize your VVX device. VVX allows you to change the language, time and date display, backlight intensity, and ringtone. To change the displayed language, select Settings, Basic, Preferences, Language. Choose the desired language. A confirmation box will show that the language has changed. To change how time and date are displayed, select Settings, Basic, Preferences, Time and Date. Choose Clock Date to change how the date is displayed. Select an option from the list and then press Back. In Clock Time, you can choose between a 12-hour and 24-hour clock. Select your preference and then press Back. In Clock Order, you can choose to display time before date or date before time. Press Back after selecting. Press Disable if you do not want to see the time and date displayed. To change backlight intensity, navigate to the home screen, then press Settings, Basic, Backlight Intensity. Select Maximum Intensity to change the light intensity of the display while in use. Use either the slider or the up and down soft keys to adjust the intensity. To change your ringtone, first press the Home button, then press Settings, Basic, Ring Type. To change a specific line, select it from the list. You can change the default ringtone by pressing Default. Select the desired ringtone, then press the back button. Enjoy your meeting.